Hey, what's up guys? Welcome to another video of the Techie Swifty. In this video, I'm going to share top 5 hidden features and tips and tricks of the Samsung Galaxy A32 so you can get more from your Galaxy A32. So let's start the video. The first hidden feature that I am going to share with you is the recycle bin in the message app, by which you can restore your important messages that you deleted accidentally. For that, go to in message app, go to options from top right, then go to recycle bin. Here you can permanently delete or restore messages. Keep in mind, deleted messages will remain here for only 30 days. Next, I'm going to show you that how to split your Samsung Galaxy A32 screen. First of all, open the first app. Suppose that I want to use Play Store with Chrome in split screen, so I will open Play Store. Now go back to home and open the recent apps. Now tap on the Play Store icon, select open in split screen view. Now in bottom, select the second app. Suppose that I want to use Chrome. So that's how you can split your screen. You can also make a set of these apps if you constantly need to use these apps in split screen together. Just tap on these three dots in center and here select second one, Edge panel. It will create this set in Edge panel. Now go back, go to the Edge panel, and here you will see the set of the apps that you created. Just tap on it and the both apps will open in split screen. And the next tip I am going to share is the call background, which is really amazing. For that, go to call app, go to keypad, and now go to options from the top right. Go to settings, and here go to the second option, which is call background. Now go to background. Here you can select these pre-made backgrounds, this one also, or you can select emojis. But the best part is that you can add your image or video also as a call background. For that, go to add option from the top right. Here you can select from gallery or you can add your emoji also. Let's go to the gallery. Suppose that I'm going to select this photo. But the best part is that you can also add video from the gallery. So this is really amazing feature. And the next tip is the side key. By pressing the side key or the power button twice, it will open the camera app. But the best part is that you can set any other app also. For that, go to settings, scroll down and go to advanced features. Now here, go to the side key. Here you can see camera app is selected by default. Tap on the open app and now select your favorite app. Suppose that I'm going to select Chrome. Now when I will press the side key twice, it will open the camera app. Really helpful. And next hidden feature is really helpful, which is interaction control. Suppose that you give your phone for any reason to anyone. Suppose that you want to show him or her a photo, but you don't want that person to explore your phone or move here and there in your phone. For that, go to settings, scroll down and then go to accessibilities. Then go to interaction and dexterity. Now then go to interaction control. Now turn it on. You cannot use few features during this feature, so turn them off. Now go back. Let's go to the gallery. Suppose that I want to show this photo. So now I will press the side key and the volume up key together. Now you can select the specific area or you can select block whole screen and press done. Now you can give your phone to your friend and your friend cannot explore your phone except for this photo. Here you can see phone is not working. To deactivate it, just press these buttons again. So this is really helpful for the privacy. So these were the top 5 helpful hidden features of the Samsung Galaxy A32. If you enjoyed this video, then please like it and subscribe our channel. Signing off, bye bye.